Hey, I'm here checking out our second apartment complex of the day. We're walking, checking out each type of vacant unit, seeing what degree each one needs as far as upgrades and some repairs. We just left one where the ceilings are coming down. He says the maintenance supervisor says he's got about 10 units like that where the sheetrock is just coming loose from age. And this one's about 124 units, I believe. The exteriors are in better shape than the last building we left, which had a lot of drainage issues. Got a tennis court here that can probably be repurposed. Yeah, so I'll see if do a short video on the next one on the interior. I'll show you what we look for. Here we are in the interior of one of the units. They've started fixing it up. So the things we look for here in the kitchen, we're looking at the cabinets and countertops, what kind of condition they're currently in, see if we can resurface them. These look decent. I'm pretty sure we can paint them and then resurface the countertops. Then we definitely want to look at the water heaters, see the age and what kind of condition they're in. That one was pretty old. Always looking at the flooring, what type of condition that's in. Then we want to search for the furnace, which, as you can see, that one's also older. And then in the rooms, we're looking at what type of condition the sheetrock's in. If we can just put some paint, or there's going to be more texture and sheetrock work. In the bathrooms, pretty similar to the kitchen, looking at the countertops and the cabinets, seeing what can be kept, as well as the plumbing fixtures and the tub and the tile surround. Then the light fixtures, we also want to take a look at. And that's about it. That's John just telling us all it needs is paint.